Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to compare two popular programming languages, Mojo and Python. I'll look at the differences between them in terms of use cases, syntax, performance, libraries and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a good sense of the strengths and weaknesses of each language and which one may be better suited for your needs. Let's get started. What is Mojo? Mojo is a high-performance programming language that is designed for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. It is a superset of Python, which means that it is compatible with all Python code. However, Mojo also offers a number of performance improvements over Python, making it a good choice for applications where speed is critical. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language that is known for its ease of use and readability. It is widely used in a variety of domains, including web development, data science, and machine learning. Python has a large and active community, and there are a wide range of third-party libraries available for Python. Mojo versus Python. Features. Mojo and Python have a lot in common in terms of features. Both languages support object-oriented programming, functional programming, and procedural programming. Both languages also have a wide range of libraries available for various tasks such as machine learning, web development, and data science. However, there are a few key differences between the two languages. For example, Mojo supports just-in-time (JIT) compilation, which can significantly improve performance. Mojo also supports parallel processing, which can be useful for computationally intensive tasks. Python, on the other hand, does not support JIT compilation or parallel processing out of the box. However, there are a number of third-party libraries that can be used to add these features to Python. Mojo versus Python. Performance. Mojo is significantly faster than Python. In benchmarks, Mojo has been shown to be up to 35,000 times faster than Python. This is due to a number of factors, including Mojo's use of JIT compilation and its support for parallel processing. However, it is important to note that performance is not always the most important factor when choosing a programming language. Other factors such as ease of use, libraries, and community support may be more important in some cases. Mojo versus Python. Ease of use. Mojo is a bit more difficult to learn than Python. This is because Mojo is a newer language and it has a smaller community than Python. However, Mojo is still relatively easy to learn, especially for programmers who are already familiar with Python. Python, on the other hand, is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. It has a simple syntax and a large community of users who are willing to help beginners. Mojo versus Python. Libraries and frameworks. Python has a much larger ecosystem of libraries and frameworks than Mojo. This is because Python is a more mature language and it has been around for longer. However, Mojo's ecosystem is growing rapidly. There are a number of third-party libraries and frameworks available for Mojo, and the Mojo team is actively developing new libraries and frameworks for the language. So, which language is better? Mojo or Python? It depends on your needs. If you need a fast and efficient language for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications, then Mojo is a good choice. However, if you need a general-purpose language with a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, then Python is a better choice. If you're still not sure which language to choose, here's a simple rule of thumb. Choose Mojo if you need a fast and efficient language for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Choose Python if you need a general-purpose language with a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to decide which programming language is right for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.